Ukrainian drone maker signs Finland production deal. Ukrainian drone maker Airlogix has agreed to establish a joint venture with Finnish technology company Innokas in Finland, abonnez-vous reported, citing a company statement. Airlogix Chief Financial Officer Oleksandr Andruschuk and Innokas CEO Yana Kostamo signed a letter of intent at the Dallo Industry Days 2026 defense exhibition in Denmark. The planned production facility would be built around Airlogix's Ukrainian technology. The partnership is developing as part of the Build with Ukraine initiative. Its goal is to scale up production of Ukrainian UAVs in Europe and increase supply volumes for Ukraine's defense forces, the company said in its statement. The two companies plan to further develop the production model before establishing the joint venture in Finland, according to the statement. Neither side disclosed a planned production capacity, an investment figure, or a timeline for the facility to become operational. Airlogix was founded in Kyiv in 2020 as a startup building cargo drones for civilian logistics before pivoting to military systems after Russia's full-scale invasion in 2022, according to the company. Its best-known product is the GOR reconnaissance drone, which the company says can fly for up to 4 hours, reach an operating altitude of 3,500 meters (11,500 feet), and cover a range of 260 kilometers (160 miles). Airlogix CEO Vitaly Kolesnichenko has described the company's engineering as shaped directly by combat use, telling other outlets that the firm's systems were built under fire on the front lines. The Finland agreement is the latest in a series of manufacturing partnerships Airlogix has signed with foreign companies over the past year. In February, Airlogix and German-American firm Auterion announced a joint venture, Auterion-Airlogix Joint Venture GmbH, to produce AI-guided unmanned systems in Germany, with the Ukrainian government committing to order thousands of units. Airlogix also agreed with Canadian manufacturer Sentinel Research and Development to jointly produce drones for Ukraine's defense forces, under an arrangement between the Canadian and Ukrainian defense ministries. In July, the company reached a separate deal with Czech firm PBS Group to localize production of PBS turbine engines inside Ukraine, with the engines intended for use on drones supplied to Ukrainian forces, abonnez-vous previously reported. Airlogix has said it intends to launch 6 new joint ventures with foreign partners by the end of 2026, citing limited manufacturing capacity inside Ukraine relative to the military's demand for drones. The company has also said it aims to increase its domestic production capacity tenfold over the same period. The Build with Ukraine initiative, under which the Innokas partnership falls, is part of a broader Ukrainian government effort to relocate or duplicate elements of the country's defense manufacturing base in allied countries, reducing the risk that Russian strikes on Ukrainian territory could disrupt weapons production. Similar arrangements have paired other Ukrainian drone and munitions makers with manufacturers in Germany, Denmark, and elsewhere in Europe. Dallo Industry Days, where the Innokas letter of intent was signed, is an annual Danish defense industry exhibition organized around the Danish Ministry of Defense's Acquisition and Logistics Organization. The 2026 edition is taking place in Denmark and has drawn defense manufacturers and government delegations from across Europe.